My name is Emilú Abad Sánchez, and I will be very excited to be your tutor. I am an elementary school teacher in Mexico City since more than 3 years ago, and I consider that my classes are fun, interesting, and kind of different, so I hope you like them. I also have a master's degree in psychopedagogy, so I can easily attend all your necessities. It doesn't matter if you're a kid, if you're a teen, or if you're an adult. Because, for me, you are the star. And if you let me, I will show you how to shine really bright. Or, as it is said in Spanish, para mí, tú eres la estrella. Y si me lo permites, te enseñaré a brillar muy fuertemente. So, I hope you can be in my classes. And thank you.